Hello and welcome to a talk about mathematics in Wikidata, the current state and applications. My name is Philipp Scharpf. I'm from the University of Konstanz, Germany. I'm presenting this work on behalf of my co-authors and colleagues Moritz Schubotz and Bela Gibb from the FIZ Karlsruhe and University of Wuppertal, Germany. Let me start with a short presentation of the current state of mathematical knowledge in Wikidata. In 2016, support for mathematical formula properties was implemented. Since then, about 5,000 mathematical formula concept items were created and populated in Wikidata. Here you can see an example of the physics concept speed with its defining formula V equals S divided by T. The corresponding Wikidata item also contains the identifier semantics, for example, the information that the symbol V represents speed. Moreover, for a number of formula concept items, unit information is included. Here you can see the current statistics of the property usages. You see that the defining formula property is used around 5,000 times, meaning that around 5,000 formula concepts are seeded currently. Unfortunately, there is no consensus in the community about the usage of the identifier semantic properties. For example, we have some usages of the in-defining formula, some calculated from, and some has parts which are competing. In the last few years, my research group and I developed a number of MathWiki systems for annotation of Wikipedia articles and their readability, formula benchmarking, classification of mathematical documents, mathematical question answering, and question generation. The first important application of linking mathematical formula knowledge from Wikidata is to enhance the Wikipedia article readability by allowing to click on a formula to get some detailed information about the semantics of the occurring identifiers and the concept. We recently presented an information extraction pipeline from Wikipedia articles which are annotated using formula and identifier name recommendation. Then the formula are seeded into Wikidata by creating or editing items, and the articles are enhanced with the Wikidata item links. We could achieve significant time savings while annotating Wikipedia articles by using formula and identifier name and QID recommendations. To persist the knowledge, we created a formula benchmark database for the Wikidata annotations and the formula expression tree. Here you can see an example of Wikidata item LaTeX markup. Let us now turn to some applications of the mathematical knowledge in Wikidata. First, we constructed a mathematical question answering system that queries the knowledge from the Wikidata items. Besides simple formula concept questions, the system also can answer relationship questions such as what is the relationship between volume and temperature, and you can calculate results. Furthermore, we are currently developing a system for the automatic generation of physics questions from Wikidata items. To summarize, Wikidata is a valuable resource for storing mathematical knowledge. However, there is community disagreement on the data model. To enable reproducibility, we created formula concept benchmarks. We also enabled the knowledge graph population through annotation recommendation. And lastly, we are working on MathIR AI systems such as question generation and answering. Mathematical entity linking research is still at an early stage. We will explore novel methods in the future and also introduce new applications. We will also create and publish large benchmark datasets and integrate the annotation entity linking recommendations into the editing view of Wikipedia. I am now looking forward to our discussion.